How do you set up call forwarding on iPhone? This is useful if you want all your incoming calls to go to another number, for example, if you're busy or out of range. I'll tell you how to set up call forwarding even if your carriers don't support this feature directly. So watch to the end, there is a little trick waiting for you. So firstly, we are gonna consider the option where your carrier does support this feature. In that case, open up the settings, scroll down till apps, and then find phone app in the list. Now you should see under this section calls feature call forwarding. First, it will load for a couple of seconds, and then you will see this switch, which you need to tap once to turn that on. Now click forward to, and here input phone number to which you wanna forward your calls, just like that. And after that, save changes by going back. But what to do in the case when your carrier does not support this feature directly through settings? In that case, we are gonna open phone app, tap on keypad and dial *72, and after that you're gonna want to dial the phone number of the person to which you wanna forward your calls. Then click this call button and you will hear confirming chime or receive confirmation code from your carrier. And to disable call forwarding, you're gonna dial 73 and then the phone number. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.